Hi guys, welcome to Creative Edges. This is Shraddha here, and today I'm going to make my DT project with tailor-made cards for you. And all these cards I made with the Sweetheart Pocket Journal from TaylorMade's Card for you. You can check out their website. They have lovely cards in there and lovely things. If you want to make something like that with the help of these papers, you can check out their website. It's given in the link below. So December month is all about the Christmas, the gifts and the celebrations. So I'm going to make these sweet love cards and the pocket cards so that you can gift it along with your gift to your loved ones, your friends, your families. You can also put the small message inside, and I'm just pasting these two kind of images. I have this wooden embellishment, and so I'm pasting that butterfly like that. You can paste even the flowers if you like it, and I'm going to paste this cupid here so you can give to your loved ones. And for shading I'm using my distress ink in the pink color because these papers are mostly in the shades of like that, shades of love, and pink color suits best on that, and even red color as well. So you can do it with both colors or simply use any color you like. I'm just brushing it off with my paint, and after that I'm going to make my another thing, that is the tag. Tag is the best way to gift along with your gifts, so I'm doing the same process for it. I'm just distressing the edges of this tag, and I'm going to apply a little bit water. If you have spray bottle you can spray it, but it's on side, so I prefer the brush later. So I'm just applying a little bit water on my brush and just brush it off on the sides so it can float on all over the surface. After it gets dry, I'm going to use my this card and I'm going to paste it with the help of my PVA glue. You can use any glue or anything you like, or even double-sided tape. After that I'm going to use my corner punch, and I'm going to just paste all these embellishments, and it's almost done. Now you just need a thread. I'm using the jute thread. You can use any thread you like and you have, and you just can make like this. So after it's done, I'm going to go with another card. I'm going to fold it in the half, and then I'm going to fold it in the middle, so from both the sides, just like that I did in the video. You can do it, and you can make in bigger shape as well, but I prefer the small one since we are giving these cards, these pocket cards, along with the gift. So I'm just using the small version of it. So after that I'm going to do the same process, since it's giving the huge effect on my cards and the pink color shading is looking awesome. So after that, so I apply the glue on the one side only so that it can open easily. After that I'm going to use my sentiment, and this time I'm going to use the love notes, and I'm going to paste it over that side only on which I paste my picture of that bag. So I'm going to paste like this. This is the love notes. Now you can write any message you like for your loved ones along with the gift. You can send it. Now the next one, I already got this template from the TaylorMade cards for you in this kit. So I'm just going to use the template. I'm going to use the embellishment and another card, and just going to keep it inside. So it's done now, guys. Thank you. Please do subscribe my channel. If you like this video, please hit like. Thank you.